Midshipman Alferez. So, good morning, sir. Rule 21. Definitions. So, A. Must headlight means a white light placed over the fore and AF central line of the vessel, showing an unbroken light over an area of the horizon of 225 degrees, and suffix as to show the lights from right ahead to 22.5 degrees above the dim on either side of the vessel. B. Side lights. Side lights mean a green light on the starboard side, a red light on the port side, each showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 1125 degrees, and suffix as to show the lights from right ahead to 22 to 5 degrees above the dim on its respective side in a vessel of less than 20 meters in length. The sidelights may be combined in one lantern carried on the fore and aft center line of the vessels. C. Stern light. Stern light means a white light placed as nearly as practicable at the stern, showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 135 degrees, and suffix as to show the light 67 to 5 degree from right on each side of the vessels. So D. Towing line. Towing light means a yellow light having the same characteristics as the stern light defined in paragraph C of this rule. E. All-round light means a light showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 360 degrees. So D. Flashing light means a light flashing of at regular intervals at a frequency of 120 flashes or more per minute.